Hello there. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of how to whitelist an IP address in Google Workspace. Whether you're managing emails for a business or ensuring that crucial communications don't end up in spam filters, whitelisting is an essential tool. Let's dive right into this straightforward process, which should only take about 5 minutes. First, navigate to Google Workspace. Once there, locate and click on the Admin Console, where we'll handle most of our tasks today. Make sure you're logged in with your business email account to access these administrative tools. If you haven't logged in yet, please do so now. Once logged in, look toward the top right corner of your screen for the Google Apps menu, often represented by a grid of dots. Click on this menu and then select the admin icon to access all necessary administrative settings. Within the Admin Console, proceed to the Application Settings, which can be easily found here. Inside the Application Settings, click on Google Workspace. This step is crucial as it brings up options specific to the applications within your Workspace suite. Next, focus on Gmail, as our goal is to manage email traffic effectively. Clicking on Gmail will lead you to various settings concerning spam, phishing, and other email security protocols. Once you're in this section, find and click on the option labeled Spam, Phishing, and Malware. Here you can manage rules to secure your organization's communication. Look for the option called Email Allow List. Clicking on this will enable you to specify which IP addresses or domains are considered safe, preventing their emails from being marked as spam. In the provided field, carefully enter the specific IP address you wish to whitelist, ensuring there are no errors or typos. Incorrect entries could disrupt the reception of essential emails. After entering the IP address, the final step is to save your changes. You'll typically find a Save button at the bottom of your screen or settings window. Click this to ensure that all your adjustments are successfully applied. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully navigated Google Workspace to whitelist an IP address. Your emails should now be more streamlined and efficient, with less risk of important communications getting lost in spam filters. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, you can always revisit these steps anytime you need to make additional changes. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tutorials.